Okay.
That was luck.
Nurse Redfern, might I invite you to the village dance this evening? As my guest.
You extraordinary man. Oh, it's all becoming clear now. The doctor is the man you'd like to be, doing impossible things with cricket balls.
Well, I discovered a talent, that's only true.
Yeah, but the doctor has an eye for the ladies.
The devil.
A girl in every fireplace.
Ah, now, there I have to protest, Joan. That is hardly me.
Says the man dancing with me tonight.
That scarecrow's all askew.
Ever the artist. Where did you learn to draw?
Gallifrey.
Is that in Ireland?
Yes, it must be, yes.
You're not Irish?
Not at all, no. My father, Sidney, was a watchmaker from Nottingham. And my mother, Verity, was... well, she was a nurse, actually.
Oh, we make such good wives.
Really? Right. Yes. Well, my work is done. What do you think?
Masterpiece.
All sorts of skills today.
Ah. Can I see? Oh, goodness. Do I look like that? You sure that's not me?
Let's have this page. Like it?
You've made me far too beautiful.
Well, that's how I see it.
Yeah, widows aren't supposed to be beautiful. I think the world would rather we stopped. Is that fair? That we stop?
That's not fair at all.